3 IDF soldiers killed in tank explosion in Jabaliya. The fallen Armored Corps soldiers were Staff Sgt. Shoham Menahem, 21, from Moshav Yardena, Sergeant. Shlomo Yakir Shrem, 20, from Efrat, and Sergeant. Yuliy Faktor, 19, from Rishon Lezion, an Armored Corps officer was seriously wounded in the same incident. Serious incident during IDF operation in northern Gaza. 3 Armored Corps soldiers from the 52nd Battalion of the 401st Brigade were killed Monday afternoon in Jabaliya when an anti-tank missile struck their tank. The fallen soldiers were Staff Sgt.